landing gear. There's a single steerable nose wheel at the front, and twin gear at the back. The peculiar light gray rear tires are made of rubber infused with aluminum powder for a much higher flash point. That is, the temperature at which they could catch fire. They're pressurized to an unbelievable 400 psi. Your average car tire sits at around 30 to 35 psi. They're also inflated with nitrogen instead of oxygen for fire resistance. The Blackbird's aerodynamic qualities mean higher landing speeds overall. To further slow the plane down and take stress off the wheels, there's a 40-foot diameter drag chute, which is